Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of luxury travel with a review of the Ritz-Carlton credit card. If you love perks, points, and pampering, stick around because this card might be your next favorite travel companion. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the basics. This card issued by Chase is part of the Marriott Bonvoy program, which means you will earn points not just on Ritz-Carlton properties, but across the entire Marriott portfolio. The annual fee, $450. Yep, it's steep, but wait till you hear what you get. What's the highlight? The annual $300 travel credit, which applies to airline tickets, baggage fees, and more. That alone brings the effective annual fee down to $150. If you use it wisely, next, you will receive an annual free night certificate for properties worth up to 85,000 Marriott points. That's enough for a stay at some jaw-dropping luxury hotels. Cardholders also get Gold Elite status in the Marriott Bonvoy program, with perks like room upgrades and late checkouts. Spend $75,000 on the card in a year and you are bumped up to Platinum Elite. That's serious VIP treatment. Oh, and did I mention you will have access to Priority Pass Lounge, perfect for relaxing during long layovers, plus you will earn 6 times points on Marriott purchases, 3 times on flights and dining, and 2 times on everything else. It's a points powerhouse. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The card lacks some travel protection that other premium cards offer, and the $450 fee might be too much if you are not a frequent traveler. But if you are loyal to Marriott and enjoy luxury travel, this card can easily pay for itself. So is the Ritz-Carlton credit card worth it for the right traveler? Absolutely. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.